children, take out your history book, chapter 6, British policies and their impact. Today's topic is industries and trade. Pre-British period. India in the 17th and 18th century, though primarily an agricultural country, enjoyed a prominent position in the field of trade and industry. India was a major producer and exporter of handmade industrial goods. India was also a major supplier of various goods like coarse cotton, cloth, silk, etc. to Asian markets. Before the advent of British rule, Indian craftsmen produced on a small scale to meet the needs of the villager. These craftspersons were usually engaged in hereditary profession and belonged to the particular subcaste. They lived in urban areas which became famous for this craft. There was great demand for Dhaka muslin and Banaras silk in England. The Indian textile industry was the first and the largest in the world. Till the end of the 18th century, the quality of Indian steel was superior to English steel. The British period. The colonization of India by the British led to a rapid decline in Indian trade and industry. As the company's political domination increased, the Indian ruling houses collapsed one after another and royal patronage to crafts and trades declined. Indian textiles continued to be very popular in England till the first decade of the 19th century. But it is ironical that as the export of Indian textile increased during this period, the condition of the craftsmen, especially weavers, declined steadily. This was because the company's officials forced the weavers to sell their products at very low rates. Moreover, the company's officials also took the control of the supply of raw materials like cotton to the weavers and compelled them to buy at high prices. Hence, the weavers were at double disadvantage and as a result, many weavers were ruined. As the Industrial Revolution gained momentum, the manufacturers became powerful in England. Modern industries. Industries in England forced the government to stop the import of Indian textiles and to promote the sale of machine-made British textiles. They wanted the British Parliament to throw open the Indian trade to all British people. They also demanded that a fixed amount of the British-made goods to be exported to India. This placed the Indian goods in an unequal competition as these were costlier than the mass-produced machine-made goods, leading to the further collapse of Indian trade. Considering the demands of the industrial class, the British Parliament levied heavy duties on Indian goods imported to England. All these factors, along the factor that there was no state production for Indian trade and industry, led to the rapid decline. Soon, lower price British-made goods seized the Indian market. At the same time, raw materials were exported to feed the growing industries in England. In the long run, this was the most obvious reason behind the economic backwardness of India. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.